Designed to deliver a silky smooth shave. Single blade rinses easily. Slim plastic handle for comfortable use. Ideal for traveling. Package contains 12 women's disposable razors. Achieve a silky smooth shave with the BIC Lady Shaver disposable razor. Offering a slim, single-blade design, this disposable razor for women easily slips into a gym bag or toiletry kit for quick, convenient touch-ups. This pack comes with 12 pink disposable razors, making it a great value. The BIC Lady single-blade razor has one blade that provides a silky smooth shave. It offers a slim, easy-to-hold handle and comes with a plastic cover that snaps onto the razor head to protect it when not in use. BIC Lady Shaver is a single-blade razor designed to give a woman a silky smooth shave. Each package contains 12 razors. Top reviews from the United States. I get to keep my classic. I have always used these razors to shave under my arms, and shave my legs, since I was a teenager. I recently ran out, and found out they do not sell these razors in the store anymore. A friend told me they still sell them online. I went online, and ordered a case of 144 razors. That should keep me satisfied for a long time to come.